Sanibona Ndumelani Mshini, hi, welcome to Dumisi Delicious Appeal. Ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ushehele kodwa alifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza uhamba uzosha. Let's get into the video. Starting off on a very sad note, it's so unfortunate that I have to come here and tell you about the fact that we have lost a legend in the acting industry. We have lost someone that was passionate about his craft, someone who knew how to act, someone who didn't do it for money, but did it because he was passionate. We lost uSiputla Sibuhori, who's famously known as Kenneth Mashaba, who happens to be Ubaba Gatapelo Sibuhori, who was Kabzela on the river. Well, according to the statement that has been released, it was due to complications that had to do with diabetes. The family of Siputla Sibuhori has asked for privacy during their mourning season because, as we know, they are currently mourning the loss of a loved one, a father, a brother, an uncle, a husband, ex-husband, the vibes, So they are asking, as in, yes, it says, he was not only ours, he belonged to the people also. But singaqala ukuthi nisinikeze umzuzwana ukuthi nathi sikwazi to gather ourselves so that we can relive this moment, because this moment is not going to come again. They need just to mourn in peace without everyone intruding or interrogating them. And if you know Siputla Sibuhori, you'll remember him from Generation, Bophelo ke Simpheho, and he was also currently on Scandal. And the sad thing is the fact that he also revealed the fact that he lost so many jobs because he was not willing to speak isiZulu or take Zulu roles, So it's so sad. And also there were allegations where I want to say we're saying things about Siputla Sibuhori, and to see him today, he's no longer here. It's so sad, I feel like the industry failed Siputla Sibuhori. Yes, maybe his death has nothing to do with the industry, but I feel like they failed him.